If you've already built a form in Tally and want to reuse it, duplicating it is the fastest way. In this guide, I'll show you how to duplicate a form in Tally Forms step by step. First, log into your Tally account and go to your dashboard where all your forms are listed. Next, locate the form you want to duplicate. This can be any existing form you've already created. Now click on the three dots or options menu next to the form name. From the menu, select Duplicate. This will instantly create an exact copy of your form. After duplication, open the new form and give it a clear name so you can easily identify it later. You can now modify the duplicated form without affecting the original one. Change fields, layout, or settings as needed. Make sure to review integrations and settings, because duplicated forms may still carry over previous configurations. Before using it, preview your duplicated form to ensure everything looks correct. Once everything is ready, click Publish and start sharing your duplicated form. And that's how to duplicate a form in Tally Forms, so it's a quick way to save time and reuse your existing setups. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.